Duck on the job. There's Danny and John. I dug out this tree, he pushed it over and fell in the hole. So we'll see what happens. You too. You too. We'll see what happens here. I dug him out. I dug around the tree. He pushed it over. It pushed this massive tree over, but he fell right in the hole, busted the front glass and all that. He should be able to get out now. I dug behind him. We'll see. It's been a day. Some kind of day, folks. Look at that beautiful thing. My buddy built all that. The guy right there with a beard. This one. Showing your bridge. Wait, is he smoking? I think he's got to light a cigarette. I'm telling you, that glass shattered. That's like dangerous. That front glass shattered. It was scary. It pulled him right down in that hole. It was scary. I wish I would have got it on video, but oh well. This guy owns all this land, several acres, probably a total of close to 100. Got 3 really nice houses, cabins. Come on, come on, come on, a little more. Little more. There we go. There we go. Awesome. We'll see you.